Hey everybody, how's it going? Jonathan here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take the square root of a number in Python. There are two ways to do this. Way number one is we're going to import the math library. We're going to do x equals 25. We're going to create another variable called the square root of x, which is equal to math.sqrt, and then pass in the variable of x, and then we're going to print sqrt of x. We'll see what we get. 5.0. I've always wondered, what's the square root of 69? I think it's 8 something. 8.306. So that's method number one, is using the math library. Method number two is using the double star operator. So we're going to do x equals 25. sqrt of x equals x double star raised to the 1/2. So this is just like another way to look at this would be x raised to 1/2. Right, because that's the same as the square root. The raising number, if you want the third root, if you want the fourth root, if you want the square root, just like this. Now let's print. See what we get. Same. All right, good. So those are the two ways you can take the square root of a number in Python. Hit the subscribe button if you got anything out of this video. Have a great day.